All viewers and dear students, we have a new question for you that is related radical sign is involved in this question. So how we can simplify this question? 81 square plus 25 square plus 14 exponent 4 divided by 2 square root. How we simplify this result? Here we are using some exponent rule and also some laws of exponent we are using here. First of all, look here. If we take 81 square, we can write 81 is equal to 9 square. Similarly, here 25, we can write 5 square. Now, if we add these two terms, 9 plus 5 is equal to, we will get here 14. This is very simple method. Look here, we can write 9 square itself square plus 5 square itself square plus 14 we can write 9 plus 5 exponent 4 divided by 2 and square root is equal to 1 by 2. Now according to the rules we can apply here. We take the supposition here. Look here, if we take, let's suppose that A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 5. So we replace in the given equation here A is equal to 9, so we get A square itself square plus and B square whole square plus in the place of 9 we put A and in place of 5 we put B, so we get here 4 divided by 2 exponent 1 by 2. Now we are expanding this term according to the formula. We can write this one according to the double exponent we are using here, A m exponent, and we multiply this exponent, we can write mn. Similarly, these two terms we can multiply to each other. A exponent 4 plus B exponent 4 plus A plus B exponent 4 divided by 2 and square root is changed into 1 by 2. Now here the problem is coming here, A plus B whole exponent 4. Now we are using one of the binomial theorem. According to the binomial theorem, we are using their coefficient and the Pascal law. A plus B exponent 4. It means that here n is equal to 4. If we put n is equal to 1, so we get here, it means that n is equal to 1. So the coefficient of A and B we can write in the Pascal according to the Pascal rule. So we can write 1 and 1. These are the coefficient of A and B. Here coefficient is 1 and coefficient is 1. If we take the power of A plus B whole square, we can write according to the formula A square plus 2AB plus B square according to the binomial theorem. So but we are using Pascal law, and Pascal law when n is equal to 4, so we are simplifying the coefficient of A is equal to 1 and we add these two terms. This will be 2 and here 2 and 1. Similarly, if n is equal to 3, so we take here 1 and add these two terms, we get 3. Similarly, we get this will be 8, this will be adding. Here add these two terms, we get here 3 and 1. The coefficient of A square and B square. These are the middle term. Similarly, n is equal to 4, we replace this with this result. This is the coefficient of A4 and we add this one, we get 4 and also we add this step, so we get 6 and also we add this step, we get 4 and also the coefficient of B4. Now we are reduces in the form of this one, we can write this one according to the coefficient A4 plus 4 and A4 minus, this will be reduces, this will be reduced 4 minus 1, we can write 3 and B1 plus 6 A2 and B2 plus 4a and b cube plus b exponent 4. According to this coefficient, here the coefficient is 1, we can write here the coefficient is 1, 1. Now we replace in this equation in the form of a plus b exponent 4, we put this result. Here a exponent 4 and b exponent 4, we replace this result. A exponent 4, 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4a b cube and plus b4. Divide by 2. Divided by 2 is whole x 1 by 2. Now look here, we get a4 and exponent a x4 and a4. So we add the quotient according to the rules when bases are same. So we add their coefficient 2a. According to this rules, here we can write 2a exponent 4 plus here b exponent 4 and b exponent 4 is also we are adding here according to this rule 2b exponent 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4ab cube divided by 2 whole exponent 1 by 2. Now look here, 2, 2, 2, 2 are common here. We are taking common 2. So a exponent 4 b exponent 4 plus 2a cube b plus 3a square b square plus 2ab cube divided by 2 whole exponent 1 by 2 and here 2 are cancelled to each other. A exponent 4 plus b exponent 4 plus 2a cube b plus 3a square b square plus 2ab cube whole cube 1 by 2 plus b square according to the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab is required. Plus 2ab if we make from here because a square b square is here available, so we can write 2 plus 1, we get this one. So we can write here 2a square b square plus a square b square plus this term is remaining 2a cube b plus 2ab cube whole exponent 1 by 3. So we have make here a square plus b square plus 2ab and also we factorize this term 2 plus 1. Now we will get here from here, we will complete the formula. A square plus B square whole square plus, and here a square, AB we can write AB whole square plus, and here we are taking common 2 and 2 is common, A and B is also common from both, so 2AB is common because here product from AB is coming, A square is remaining and here B square is also remaining 1 by 2. Now look here, A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 2AB. According, now we are in the according formula, A square plus B square, this is A square plus B square plus 2A square plus B square into AB, so 1 by 2. Now if we consider A, complete this term, and this is consider B, A square B square plus 2AB is equal to A plus B whole square. Whole square, A square plus B AB whole square and 1 by 2. Now according to this x power mn, so we have x mn according to these rules. So A square plus B square plus AB is equal to 2 into 1 by 2, both are cancelled. We get A square plus B square plus AB. But we have already taken supposition in the second step. A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 5. We have taken this one. We substitute here 9 square plus 5 square plus 9 into 5. Now we get here 81 plus 25 plus 45. Now if we add all of three terms, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 is up to key, 5, 7, 5, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. So we get here 151 is the answer of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching. This is very logical question if calculator is not allowed. Thanks again for watching.